tutorial for Otus. For those of you who have not been on here yet, when you log in, you'll see a screen similar to this, and you'll just click on my class. I'll just use first block class as an example. So you're going to use three things. You got to hover over this little thing. The first thing you're going to use is lessons, and they're broken down by standard. So let's say you're working on RI 5 and 6, or just 5, just 6, whatever. There's different lessons for each one. These are not graded, but they're just here for instruction. So there's videos, there's PowerPoints, there's images, and you can click on them to get the help you need for that standard. The next thing you'll use is the bookshelf, and everything that you're seeing here will be available to you. And then I'm going to assign your assignments based on what unit you're doing. But let's say you're doing World War One. Click on literature. That it'll open this document, and it'll show you all the things that are in that unit if you read. Of course, you get to pick the movie, all different poems you can choose from, and you just click on them, propaganda and nonfiction. So those are all there. Every unit has a page like that for you to refer to. So again, those are all there. The last thing you're going to use are the assessments. Yours is going to look a little bit different from what I showed here. You'll see what I have assigned you. So I haven't assigned anything other than language quizzes yet. I'm waiting to hear from everybody to do that. So all the assignments for your unit are on there. And remember, make sure you're keeping track of which ones you've done, which ones you haven't done, based on the standards, the RL1, RL2, RI1, RI2, whatever. So it's very important that you guys are completing these. You need to be completing one assignment each day. If you don't, then these days aren't going to count. I think we have to have 85% participation. So make sure you're getting this stuff done. When you guys are ready to take a quiz, so you've done both the assignments for a standard, then make sure that you let me know and I'll assign the reading quiz to you and let you take it at home. And don't forget the language quizzes are there if you haven't taken those already. So that's just real quick in a nutshell. That's Otus. I'm going to be available every day, all day. So please just let me know when you have questions or issues. I'm also going to set up a video conferencing type thing. It's kind of like Skype that you can use to have a more one-to-one kind of help. So again, let me know when you need